Alright, I had a little under voltage in this reader, so I had to wire power to it separate from what was coming out of here, which is probably 8 to 12 volts, probably 8 volts. And now I'm just getting ready to unhook my, I had a transformer hooked up down there and it was hooked up to the power up here just to confirm that I didn't have a wiring issue, and it was actually a under voltage issue, or just a voltage issue, however you want to label it. So now I'll just take my transformer off. So I'll take this transformer, it's just a 24 volt DC transformer, and then I'll hook it up over here where I have power, and then that should power this up. And as you can see, it's getting pretty good read range. It's probably about 1 or 2 feet. So somewhere in the 2 to 3 foot range. Even picking up on the side too. So it's got a pretty good read range, and I got a 24 volt DC power supply on there, and it's picking up at a couple feet away. I was going to show you the gate opening, but there's really no point. You just have to take my word for it, and you may be able to hear it opening on the background anyway.